So thank you again very much to Seth and Jordan for joining us. Thank you for adding so much clarity. Okay, there is so much buzz in the personal injury law industry about the entry of private equity and valuations and multiples and the structure and the time frame. So from hearing it directly from the both of you and really hearing just how dedicated you are to make sure that the structures and the sales and the process is really best in class. So we heard that loud and clear from the both of you. My message to share in terms of the state of the market for law firm sales with a focus on personal injury law is that private equity funding is here. It's in the marketplace. It was expected for years to come. We'd always looked at dental, started looking at accounting. Now it is here in personal injury law. It's going to be here in additional practice areas as well. So for those firms that are fortunate enough to be at that platform level, please follow the advice of Jordan and Seth. Get your arms around best operations, best finances, be talking with the right people about how to structure yourself for a sale and then hopefully a follow-up sale as well at some point. For additional firms, the opportunities for the roll-ups, the add-ons, I really heard the opportunity there that it's so important for, I'll call them mid-sized to smaller size personal injury law firms. Please run your firm like a business. As Jordan was recommending, bring in non-lawyer COO, non-lawyer CFO, as Seth mentioned about masterminds that are available to be best in class. Because even if you're not a platform acquisition, certainly what I'm hearing is that, and hearing directly from Seth and Jordan today, is the opportunities for being an add-on, being part of a roll-up. Those are going to be real opportunities as well for personal injury law firms. And then, Seth, I think you introduced a word to the English language today, which was untransactionable, I think you said, or untractable. It was somewhere in between that.
Untransactable.
Right, untransactable. It's important for senior attorney personal injury law firms to recognize that in particular. We are in an age of digital disruption, okay? And Jordan just mentioned that word of mouth was great during its era. That was pre-Google, certainly pre-2020. And if you're continuing to run a firm that's based upon word of mouth, you may have great trial lawyers at your firm, which are going to add amazing value to these firms, these platform acquisitions, roll ups. They need your great trial lawyer skills. But if you're not attracting the clients, then your firm will unfortunately become untransactable. And so, a message there is to those law firms that have great lawyers and great books of business, but are still relying upon word of mouth. Please consider selling your firm in the short term or take the steps that Jordan and Seth are talking about to make your firm more attractive. Probably not at that platform acquisition level, but at that roll up add on level.